Hello everybody, it's Matt from Invexa Trade. This is 23rd of August 2020. It's a Sunday. Hope everyone's having a good weekend. I like Sunday so that I've got no open trades, it's clear mind, and obviously I can make these videos to help you guys to make money. What we're looking at here is a really simple strategy but extremely effective, and it works. We're using MetaTrader 4. We are on a minute 30 chart. And we are looking at the week that's just gone, so Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and we are specifically looking at an RSI strategy which maps where the RSI period 5 crosses over RSI period 14. You'll see that just purely by using this, nothing else, no Elliott wave, no Fibonacci, no news watchings, no nothing. Just by purely mapping out where these two indicators cross, where the same indicator, two different periods cross, can make you an awful lot of money. 817 pips in 3 days, £3 a pip. You're looking at 2,500. You know, for those slightly increased risk, £10 a pip, you could have made £8,000 in 3 days. If you're in the UK and the spread betting is tax free, if you took it out of your account, if it was with IG anyway, the Friday before 12, you'd have had that money at the end of the day on Friday. So we're going to start off on the left hand side. Well, literally, I mean, you could go back through, you can back test these with any strategy you want to back test them. This has been, you know, we've used this for the last sort of 3 years, and it works. Really, really clear. You from this panel down here, you firstly select one RSI box, and then once you've got your first box, you literally just click on that and drag it in. You then change the periods. So you got one as 5, one as 14. Obviously, change your colours so you know which is which. And then from here, even without the colour, the 5 is a lot more volatile, you could argue, or it stands out a lot more. You can see 14 is blue, 5 is red, so 14 spends a lot more time in the middle, so it doesn't really give you clear signals. Also changed my levels, so I have 90 and 10. Traditional courses will tell you 70 and 30. There's no such thing as overbought and oversold. I've been in the market a long time, and when people say it's overbought, oversold, and prices continues the same way, so you can't rely on that as a signal. That terminology is misleading, because if someone says something oversold, then you can expect it to, or it would mislead you just thinking it's going to go up, and it doesn't. It can continue that way for a long time. Again, if someone says it's overbought, then in my early days it was like, right, that's a sell signal, and it's just not. So I use 90 and 10, and you can see just on the chart here, you know, when it gets to 90, it's up here. Then it does sell, yes, you know, up here over 90. But look at the blue, the 14. It doesn't really get there, you know. That's I much prefer the 5. And then for the crossover up here, so we're looking at red is 5, blue is 14. Comes up here. So on the chart, as soon as it jumps above, it actually goes bang, bang, bang all the way up. So you want your stop loss just below this bottom point on the crossover on the price. 210 pips, lovely. Thank you very much. Then it does, and again, this is the important bit for the crossover. So again, if you had 70, this is 70 on the chart there. You can see it keeps going up. So the price actually keeps going up. But then if you enter on the crossover, that's your actual confirmation signal. And then coming down, I mean, lovely move, 240 pips. Then we obviously market comes up. You're not entering until the crossover. This point we had 97 pips up. Then it came back down, 130 pips. Again, I could have added it in here as well. There's various points you can add it to. These are just to show you some examples, like cluttering at the chart. And then again here, so this is interesting. It went up to this level up here, up to the what was support, now resistance, or a gap, as I call it. And then came down, bang, you know, made from this point actually. We're looking at 876. You know, there's another 250 pips down. So we're taking that as chart, should have left that in really. 250, add that on, you over 1,000 pips for the week, and that's keeping it really, really simple. There's no chart patterns in there. There's no falling wedges, rising wedges, bull flags, bear flags. There's none of that. This is just really nice and clear, really simple. Get that on your chart and start looking at it. This works on all instruments or time frames. And this one I've just picked, for example, the minute 30, just to bring in a few examples. So use this, go and make loads of money, manage that risk. Don't overthink it. Use it as one of your tools. As a trader, you want a toolkit. You don't want to force a trade. You don't want to guess. Some people can be good, for a period of time, get feelings. But if you want to do this like long-term, stable income, making some money, cut out the noise, keep an eye on the text, and this will work. It's one of your main tools in the toolkit. RSI is very popular. People don't actually know how to use it. You always see people saying again, overbought, oversold. Whereas this is a proven strategy. Look for the crossover. You will make money on it. And when you do make loads of money on it, make sure you're looking after those that need it. Donate some to a decent charity. There's lots of worthwhile, really good charities out there. You will make money on this, so there is a nice free tool for you. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment. These strategies are being sold online, hundreds and hundreds of pounds. You just don't need it. Follow Invexa, buy our pack, one-off cost of $299.95. Ongoing support, mentorship, WhatsApp group, and we will get you on a journey where you're making regular money. So please, share, subscribe, like, comment, and go make some money.